Minister in Tumakuru district in charge Minister G. Parameshwara has directed the district administration to ensure that all beneficiaries attending the Karnataka Government's Grand Sadhana Sambhrama convention in Tumakuru on May 20th to receive their benefits and entitlements on the same day itself. He issued these instructions while addressing a preparatory meeting held at the Deputy Commissioner's office, which was convened in connection with the state government's 3-year achievement celebrations and the distribution of benefits under the Revenue Department and other welfare schemes. The minister stressed that although title deeds and welfare benefits may be symbolically distributed on stage in the presence of Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, all remaining beneficiaries must also receive their entitlements immediately at the venue without delay. He directed officials to assign clear responsibilities to respective departments and ensure that distribution is carried out at the seating areas of beneficiaries. According to officials, more than 2 lakh beneficiaries from all 10 taluks of Tumakuru district are expected to participate in the program. G. Parameshwara instructed taluk administrations to make proper transportation arrangements and ensure that all beneficiaries are provided breakfast before buses depart for the venue. He also emphasized the importance of safety, comfort and hospitality for all participants. Around 3,000 government and private buses are expected to be deployed for the event. The minister directed that buses should drop beneficiaries directly at the venue and ensure proper return arrangements after the program concludes. He also instructed the police department to identify designated parking zones to avoid traffic congestion and parking issues in the city. Further, he directed Tumakuru District Milk Union Limited authorities to arrange buttermilk and drinking water facilities for the participants. The Tumakuru City Corporation was instructed to ensure cleanliness, beautification of the city and adequate mobile toilet facilities, keeping in mind the large-scale gathering expected. Parameshwara also noted that the Tumakuru model has gained recognition at the state level due to the successful organization of major state, national and international events in the district. He urged officials to ensure that the upcoming program is conducted in a disciplined and well-organized manner without any shortcomings. The meeting was attended by Deputy Commissioner Shubha Kalyan, Zilla Panchayat CEO B.V. Ashwija, Superintendent of Police Ashok KV and other district level officials, while taluk level officials participated through video conference. So viewers, can this large-scale program set a new benchmark for organized welfare delivery in the state? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.